Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pavleen. I'm a student of Handson Institution of Data Sciences, and I actually got the courses of base SAS, advanced SAS and clinical SAS program from that institution. And I would like to give my heartfelt thanks to all the faculty members who just made us understand all the complex topics in such an amazing manner that I assure you, you won't be able to forget those topics ever in your life. And my special thanks to KK sir, who just gave his 101% just to make us understand those complex topics in such a good and an easy way. And even if I talk about myself, I'm a student. I'm basically a dentist and never have any kind of connection with such complex and I'll say such languages, but I was a bit scared earlier, like which institution to join, from where I should get this knowledge. But it was, I can tell you, like, it was super easy to understand these things from him, because he taught us in such a good way. And my special thanks to KK sir and Karthikeyan sir for a clinical research program, because he made us understand also very nicely and all. And all the faculty members, because they have lots of patience, they listen to your problem, make you understand for how many times you want to get it. And without any regrets, I would like to suggest everybody, if you really want to join, you should actually go for the hands-on only, right? And trust me, I'm not promoting this institution. This is the thing which came directly from my heart. And if you want to learn and excel lots of opportunities in your future, you should go for the hands-on. Yeah, thank you so much everybody.